How to make your iPhone focus. Let me talk about all the important things related to this. Let's get started. And if you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So there are like two angles we can look at from, right? So we have the camera app, which can focus, and also there are the focus modes within the settings of the iPhone. So when it comes to the camera, the way that it functions is that you can literally tap on the subject, which shows up in the viewfinder of your camera, and the focus will be adjusted to focus on the thing which you selected, right? So it works well. You can tap on the things and it will focus. Or you can also hold down on the subject and it will lock the focus in place, meaning that you can move things in front of the camera or, move your phone to a different place and the focus and exposure will stay the same. So that is making the iPhone focus in terms of the camera. However, you might also be interested in the focus modes, which are part of the settings app. When you scroll down a bit, there is this purple icon, which you can click on and customize the different focus modes. This is like a mode for your iPhone, which makes the phone behave differently. For example, you set up a personal or work-related focus mode, and then you decided that only certain contacts or certain apps are allowed to deliver notifications to you. And that way you stay focused on the task at hand and you don't get interrupted by some random things, by some notifications, by some different apps, right? So it's just for that purpose. So it's not like focusing the iPhone, but it makes you focus on the thing you're doing. So that is how it works. If you need more like resources and videos about it, there are like so many tutorials I have on this channel and also so many coming up. So make sure you subscribe and you don't miss anything. Thanks a lot and I'll talk to you soon.